Hi everyone, I'm Jane, the Ultimate Filipina. To this vlog, I'm here now in the Bendicar farm, so good Southern Leyte. So this is my first time to go inside. Very beautiful, peaceful, a lot of coconut tree, and they have a kayak. If you are willing to ride a kayak, you can do it for only 25 pesos. So very affordable, and also not deep the water, so it's not scary. Really amazing here. A lot of tourists come here, but today is Sunday, so not so crowded. So I will show you around in the farm. I will visit two farm today. So which is the other one is animals, and this one is all about coconut, flowers. So this is the entrance from the road. You need to walk to come here 120 kilometers to go inside here. So there's a foreigner. They have a kayak, a lot of coconut. This is Bendicar farm. So you can use a kayak. The entrance is only 28 pesos, very cheap. Hello.
Service into the door?
Pwede pila kayak te?
25 per head.
Per head, di mo mataob niya.
Ay, di na nun. Hindi na on.
Di ba kuha na lang, te? Kaya asa ko to, te?
Asa mata mo sod?
Ano din sa malak? Wala mo kukuin.
Hadlok man kumatuan.
Yung service to the town.
So this is the view. Chiban want to try.
Guys, you should visit here.
Dili mo dapat diri na nagiduol nila.
Iwak ba po naman dito ko nagbuhin.
So monkey moy. He's eating stick o. Moy moy.
Maisog mo siya. Kapul ba yun siya?
So if you are a foreigner watching this, and if you are you love to stay in the Philippines for good, or you want to retire here, you should buy a property, and then you can make a business like this farm. Yeah, you can make a farm, because really you will earn a lot of money like this, because Filipino like to visit in the farm. So they put also pineapples, a lot of pineapples here, and also cows. Yeah, it's very interesting. You can go up here. So much coconut. A lot of peanut. See, that is peanut. Shiban is already there. So this one, a lot of fishes. When you ride a kayak, when you fall down, the fish will eat you. Very quiet. And also if you want to marry your Filipina, you can marry here. The reception in the farm, very windy. Here, it's a big property. The owner really rich. You have a big property. See until there. I don't know. Very nice. So much fish, guys. Oh, kayak. Oh, Jiban here.
Hi, guys.
Tara.
Kuman na. Oh. Oh, nawag na.
So this is the next farm, opposite only with the opposite in the Bendicar farm. So this one mostly is animals. So they have a crocodile.
The owner of Caridad and Bendicar are
Yeah, the same owner only.
siblings.
Siblings. Yeah, siblings. So they have a lot of animals here. Crocodile,
Sila
rabbit, goat. You have a sheep also. The black sheep. You have a koi. Oh, it's a turtle. Oh, akin, no? Ito ako. Nanganak na ba? Asa mag-rabbit ban? Dari sa ta? Eagle na?
Banog. Gutog kasi ang gutog.
Birds.
Napabog manok.
Ay, ano na birds?
Ano nagtingon?
Akon ka tay.
Ay, mandoy of one.
Mm.
Tingog din.
That rabbit tay. It's the rabbit.
Ang mali magkabuada ba yung tukbulta? Kahit kami yung mata. Ini ada ni kena man.
Pwede kita yung mas kuan. Kaya sa pwede na.
Siguro? Siguro?
Ikaw, ikaw na lang.
Black sheep. It's a sheep. They're hungry.
Ito.
Mabos ang gigunitan sa Iloilo tay.
Suka anang buhi man ha.
Hingunit ka sa Iloilo na. Ang nakuara na ay bugatan na.
Akin na tayo manok.
Ang haita man na nagkuan panit. So it's a big python.
Plastic no?
Beautiful cats. Mo lang mamala.
Sawa man
Hindi
ni.
din ala.
Sawa ni na.
Hindi man ala.
Handa ko ang karne anang. Handa ko ang karne.
Ang nakuha ba ano yun?
Ano? Sa ko.
Beautiful cats. So I can bring my cats here.
Ang ganyan ka na tayo manok.
It's a big crocodile.
Mata oh. Puputi-patay si Jao.
Hindi man nakaluwak
Kasi
din.
kaya nila pagpalit.
Ang gimok natin ah.
Nagamay pa nilang gidakop.
Wala man ang gikuan ban. Rice field. And coconut. Tilapia. They have tilapia. Typhoon destroyed this last year. Chiban is there. Rabbit! Hi, rabbit! The other one, tapay gamay dia.
May layan silang mananapin.
Si mama ka.
Buta na. Buta ni na.
Tuloy tayo nga ni sa...
Lettuce. They have lettuce here. This one is not old farm, it's still new. That's why not a lot of vegetables and animals. Because they just, I think this is 1 year. Yeah. And then the typhoon also destroyed, so that's why. Not a lot of vegetables and animals. But soon, maybe a lot. Ipala juga may makita. Ipala juga ba? Kuy ba na? Katag tatay.
Kaya, pagkatay.
Itsa dito, lajo.
Ayun lang, bulok na.
Lot of koi. Ito mo na makaon.
Nama dyan, tilapia na. Makaon na, tilapia.
Ano? Ang parang puti.
Oo.
Nabitaw.
Na dyan.
Mix. Di mo na tilapia.
Hindi na makaon.
Uy, di na makaon ng koi.
Kaya na
po
dyan, tilapia.
Oh, bitaw na. Puti.
No, tilapia.